This presentation will focus on how the teacher have used inquiry and dialogue in his natural science lesson. The teacher uses field simulation to engage learners and force them to observe the component in a simple electric circuit. A field simulation is a type of simulation or a website, or I can just say that a technological tool that help learners to observe what is happening. So this does not only create curiosity in the learners to think about what the topic of the day is about, but it also makes them interested because third simulation it is mostly displayed on a projector, of which now it will do what it will force the learners to pay attention to what's happening. So this also encourages, when the teacher uses field simulation, he is encouraging the learners to actively investigate and also to discover the function of each component. Now, when it comes to dialogue, the teacher facilitates discussion by using questions such as, what are the materials that allow different to allow current to flow through, and what are materials that do not allow current to flow through. So basically, when it comes to the dialogue, which is a two-way form of a discussion, or a two-way form of a form of discussion that involves two or more people. So when the teacher uses dialogue in a form of a question and answer. So this is when now the competency of communication and collaboration, it is also infused in the lesson, as the teacher will be asking learners questions and learners are forced to respond through the form of communication. The teacher also infuses dialogic learning through the use of pre-activity group work and the completion of the concept work. So when the teacher uses dialogic learning, this is a form of learning that it involves a group work. So a teacher gives learners a group activity on which learners have to do what? They have to work together, brainstorm ideas as a group, and think on what kind of materials uh, can allow current to flow, can allow electric energy to flow through. And then this is when now they have to observe, use their inquiry on what they have seen in the FET simulation, and also now they have to do what, to apply it to what they know. So when now the learners have to also work in group to complete an activity, of which now they have to observe materials that are in the classroom that can also that can allow electricity to pass through. So as a revision, the teacher uses inquiry and dialogue as a form of teaching through dialogic learning and also pre-activity, as well as a question and answer method. Thank you.